used to do that I will share the screen, and on the screen you will find a code. That code is the code for your quiz. You are supposed to enter that code, and then by entering that code you will find questions on your screen, and then you have to click on the correct answer. There will be 4 options. You have to click on the right option, and then in this way you have to do it. And 50-50 questions are there in both the quizzes. 50 questions for juniors and 50 questions for seniors. And since this is the Islamic quiz, I request you all and I expect from you that perfect honesty will be practiced, and you will just trust your knowledge, not the knowledge of your father or mother or your relatives or the knowledge of Google. Okay? Because once we are going to do this quiz on quizzes, after that we are going to ask some random questions as well. Okay, from all of you. So suppose if you have written the correct answer of that particular question in the quizzes, but you are not able to answer in the face-to-face random question, then it means that that is not fair. So I request you all to kindly always practice fairness and have confidence in you. I am 100% sure that you all are going to do the wonders. You all are going to attempt correctly. For your kind information, grade 1 to 5 is junior and grade 6 onwards are seniors. Before we start the quiz, I'll allow you to ask your queries. For that, I'm going to give you 5 minutes time, that if you have any query, any doubt about any question, or you are not sure for any answer, then please write in the chat box. I'll try to get back to you with a correct answer or with answering your queries. Although I know that sir has explained everything and it's already there in the video, you all can always watch the video and enhance your knowledge. But still, if you have any doubt, still you find that there was some confusing questions, you were not able to do it. So I request you to kindly ask me right now before going for the quiz. What is the qualifying marks to get qualify for round 2? Okay. There is no qualifying marks. Okay. There is no qualifying marks, whether you do it right or wrong, whether you score 10% or 100%. The only difference is the children who are going to score less, we will ask them to appear second time for the same quiz. Okay, like prepare well, and then we will give you second chance so that you can appear for this. Once again, if your score is below 50, then you will be asked for the second attempt. If your score is above 50, then there is no need of second attempt. Your marks in this only will be added. Now let me see the other queries. Where to put the code you are going to send? Okay, this is a very good question. You know, there is an app called Quizzes. So this on Quizzes app, you are going to enter the code. I'll just show you Quizzes app in a while. And there is no need of downloading that app. If you just type on the Google joinmyquiz.com, then you can reach to that page where you are supposed to enter your code. Anyway, once I'm going to give you the code, along with that, I'll give you the link also. I'm going to copy the link in this chat box so that you can just click on the link and you will be on that page where you are supposed to do your quiz. Any other queries? Okay, I think you all are smart children, so there is no queries. Just let me check if Dr. Imtiaz has joined us. Yes, Imtiaz sir is there. May I request Imtiaz sir to kindly just say some inaugural words before we go for the rounds of the quiz.
Sorry, Dr. Halima, I'm a bit late. I had gone out for getting my car fixed. I have just come.
Okay, so no
I've just
issues
the
at the,
second come.
yeah, no problem. Then we would love to listen to you maybe at the end.
At the end, yes,
Okay.
inshallah. I've just joined in.
Okay. So now I request all of you to kindly show me your cheerful faces so that I can click your photograph. Everybody, victory sign, because you all are going to win. Everybody with victory sign. Hafsa, I couldn't see your victory sign. And here, Aman, me too. Aman, you too, yes. That's really nice to see. Okay, so thank you very much. You are clicked. You are clicked and now you are saved. So there are 50 questions as I informed you. And these 50 questions are going to take 20 minutes of your precious time. But this 20 minutes is going to give you the reward of 20,000 minutes, because Allah is always happy when we are engaged into such type of activities where we are learning Islam, where we are engaged ourselves into talking about Islam, discussing about Islam. So this is the best time spent from our life. Now, please just listen carefully once again, that there should not be any confusion about the junior or senior. You will not get any chance, because last time there was a girl who entered in the junior or senior. So please be very careful. That's why I always insist you to write your class name before your name, so that you should not be confused. Yes, Imtiaz Khan Sahab, all these sessions are recorded. We are recording even today's session also we are recording. When I'm looking at your faces now, I'm feeling like you are so unnecessary. You people are so tense, and the quiz is so simple. Very, very simple. For God's sake, don't do like this. Be happy. Show me your cheerful faces. I will unmute you for 1 minute so that you can wish each other all the best. Now I have unmuted. Now please wish each other all the best.
All the best, everyone.
All the best.
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 All the best.